One of the most common challenges when connecting HubSpot with field service operations is that the contact address is not always where the work needs to be completed. A property manager may create a deal, a builder may raise a ticket, or a solar partner may submit work on behalf of a homeowner. In each case, the person creating the record is often different from the site where the work will actually take place. To solve this, Dusk FSM supports site address mapping from both HubSpot Deals and Tickets, allowing work to be automatically created using the correct service location. Configuration is simple. Within HubSpot, create a custom single-line text property on your deal, ticket, or both. This property stores the site address, where work should be completed. It can be named something meaningful for your business. In our case, it is site address. Then you'll also create a custom drop-down property called Dusk FSM address source. Use the values deal address for deals or ticket address for tickets, along with the other drop-down value of contact address. This allows Dusk FSM to determine whether work should use the contact address or the site address. Simply find the address you want to use and copy it over, like this, to avoid any errors in the address. Once configured, Dusk FSM automatically uses the selected address when creating work from HubSpot. Here we have a deal in HubSpot. Notice that the contact belongs to the person coordinating the work rather than the location where the work will be completed. Our custom site address field stores the actual service location. Then we select deal address as the address source. This ensures Dusk FSM uses the site address rather than the contact address when creating work. The same process applies to HubSpot Tickets. Whether work originates from a deal or a ticket, Dusk FSM automatically uses the mapped address field to create work at the correct location. Next, we'll configure the mapping inside Dusk FSM. Navigate to your HubSpot integration settings and select the deal property to use as the work address. In this example, we're using the site address field, but you can map the single-line text field you created earlier used by your business. Save the configuration and you're ready to create work. If you're using the Dusk FSM dispatch card, ensure the site address field has been populated and the correct address source has been selected before work is dispatched directly to your field staff. For dispatchers, this means work arrives ready for scheduling with the correct address already populated. There's no need to manually update locations after work has been created. If required, dispatchers can still edit the address within Dusk FSM. However, in most cases, the correct location is already available. Let's see the process in action. We'll move this deal through the pipeline and allow HubSpot to automatically create work in Dusk FSM. The deal has now created work inside Dusk FSM. Notice that the work address matches the site address from HubSpot rather than the contact address. This is the address that will be used for scheduling, dispatching, and field execution. This capability is particularly valuable for HVAC providers, solar installers, facilities management organizations, construction contractors, utilities, and partner-driven service networks. These organizations often manage multiple service locations for a single customer relationship. By separating contact information from the actual service location, Dusk FSM creates a more accurate workflow between HubSpot and field operations. The result is improved dispatch accuracy, reduced administration, and a better experience for office teams, dispatchers, and field staff. Once the work has been created, it can be dispatched directly to the field. Here we can see the work ready to be dispatched to a technician's mobile device with the correct service location already applied. We hope you found this walkthrough valuable.